There's some of the equipment, I could use. I never really have a chance to, it's pretty easy to use. 350 volts. It's 220. You gotta hook it up to 220. Some MIG. You can run it with the for aluminum on-off switch. Wire speed, volts. You get the argon tank and everything. This would be like a professional. It's probably $3,000-$4,000 though. Process. Indicate unit is in process. Select menu. Indicate unit and wire program. It's just a quick guide. This is MIG. This is what you're going to mostly see in shops. That's MIG, Miller. This would be equivalent, not equivalent, but the same type of deal that I have, the Everlast 160, except this produces a lot more of the voltage. On and off switch, rated output, volts 32 DC, 28 amps, 300, 200 AC, duty cycle 50% with the DC, 40% with the AC, max OCV 80, DC 80, AC. We got the power switch right here. You want to put it on AC, this is where you would use the AC. You don't want to switch it while it's on under load. GTAW, that's basically TIG. It's gas TIG arc welding, or this is SMAW stick metal arc welding, I think. I can't remember. Like I said, I'm not a welder. This would be for the gun. I don't know if this has the connections for the gun though. Anyways, just have it off and on. The heater. You leave these sticks out for too long and they're going to get bad suck up oxygen. 7018-1. Those are probably 1/8. These are really thick on the there. Aluminum. 13, 11. Bronze. gas air set, power, pressure, top, temperature, indicated laser, status of it, pressure, light go on top, light goes on, temperature, status, handle goes, ground clamp right there. There we go. Cut away. These are really nice machines. They're just out of my price range. Later on, this would be like the Spectrum 625 DC plasma fitting system. This stuff right here is out of my price range at the moment. I wouldn't mind having a Miller. I'd probably get a Miller rather than a Lincoln. But I could use these when I need to. But anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.